What's up, YouTube? Thank you for discovering my channel. If this is our first time meeting, welcome. My name is Nick Venuti, and I'm an exercise physiologist and a personal chef. I also own a business called The Healthy Yinzer, where my mission is to help 1 million people enhance their lives through exercise, cooking, and mental fitness. I believe that a healthy life is a balanced life, and in order to achieve that, you need to take one step at a time. And often, the hardest step is figuring out where the hell to get started. So in this channel, I will help you break down that barrier. I will be releasing 1 to 2 videos a week where we will dive deep into the many ways you can improve your health today. If you have a passion for exercise and a love for cooking, you stumbled upon the right channel. I've spent over a decade in the restaurant industry and received multiple degrees in exercise physiology, where I have used this knowledge to help many people like yourself go ahead and take control of their life. It's time to leave the ghost behind and start to focus on the future, because the best investment you can make is the one on yourself. Let's get to work.